Today I am reviewing this nice ceiling light that was sent to me to review. Let's check it out. You can see it all comes very nicely packaged. Different frames included. You have this outside frame and this inside frame that could dim it down a little bit. So you can see it has this dual lampshade design, which is nice. And we have this 3 bulb setup right here. It does come partially disassembled, but it's very easy to assemble. Uses these E12 bulbs, and it is compatible with dimmable bulbs if you like. So if you have a dimmable light switch and dimmable bulbs, you can use those. Simply puts the wires all the way through here as such. So what I do is I take the 2 wires and wire them together to make it take up less space before threading it through the top. Just makes it easier, less points. Sometimes the wires like to fray out and try to go off the sides on stuff like this. That's all very simple. Just simply twist it like that, and you can see the wires are now through. Pull it up here, and then it just has a threaded rod. So hold one side, and then twist with the other until they all thread together. Should not be any tools needed for this. It does not need to be very tight. Just do that. This, of course, makes it easier to ship. And then here's your fully completed light. Of course, untwist these wires because they're not meant to do that. It comes with universal ceiling brackets, so it's just very standard. Should go to any junction box you have, and all of the included hardware needed, your wire nuts, etc. to mount it. So here it is, all installed. Looks really nice with the dual lampshade design. It gives it a really nice soft look. This would be great for any space. You can see nice soft glow. I put some very soft bulbs in there, which I feel complement this light really well. Overall, it's a really nice light, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.